Today we're here to talk about foil and government conspiracies. You know, the government has got brainwaves going out there, so you gotta put these nice foil hats on your head here to protect yourself, because they're trying to influence your voting. Right, Gennaro?
Bob, that's not what we're here to talk about today. That's not the kind of foil we're talking about.
What kind of foil are we talking about, Gennaro?
I'm glad you asked. We're talking about foil printing on t-shirts.
What's foil printing on t-shirts? I don't understand.
We take foil and we print it on your t-shirt.
Great. You mean I spent all weekend putting the foil all over the place and putting this helmet on, and this is not about government conspiracies?
That's right.
Mother! I can't believe you spent all the time putting a foil... Alright, Gennaro, I've calmed down a little bit, and I understand what we're talking about. It's when you take foil and you put it on a t-shirt, right?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so basically we take our customers' designs and we put it on a t-shirt in any number of different color foils that they want to see. Am I right?
Yeah.
Alright. We're talking about putting foil on t-shirts, actually, Gennaro. It's not really about government conspiracies and brainwaves. So, wait, where's Tiffany? Isn't she supposed to be here for this video?
Yeah, where is Tiffany?
Tiffany!
Right here.
Oh, hey. Thanks for stopping by. Can you come up a little bit higher so that we can... There it is. See, that's the foil on a shirt. You know what I'm talking about now. Look at that. That's foil on a t-shirt, guys. That is pretty snazzy, Tiffany.
Thank you.
Is that work we've done here?
Why, yes, it is.
And like, what if you wanted your own logo or some other design on there?
That's no problem.
And like, what if you wanted like holographic foil or metallic foil or maybe, you know, matte foil?
We have it all.
Oh, that's sweet. Thanks for stopping by and showing us that, Tiffany.
Anytime.
Hey, Gennaro, look at how good it looks when you put foil on a t-shirt.
Well, you know, Gennaro, now that we got these helmets on and, you know, we're all foiled up, I got an idea.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, listen to this, all right? You know, so like I said, it's about putting foil on your t-shirts, right, Gennaro?
Absolutely.
So, you know, we got these helmets and we got this foil, so, you know, on guard. It's about putting foil on your t-shirts. So, as you know, we're here today to talk about putting foil on t-shirts. You saw Tiffany's shirt, and it just looked awesome, right, Gennaro?
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's right. What's the minimum order for putting foil on t-shirts?
48 pieces.
48 pieces.
It's 48 pieces. Right, Gennaro?
That's right.
Yeah, so don't send me 12. Don't send me 24. Do not send me 36. Gennaro, how many pieces do I need?
You need 48, Bob.
That's right, 48 pieces. If you got any questions about foil on t-shirts, just give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing.
Cut.